CK. Chennai King, man. Chennai King. They are talented. Yeah, dude.
I'm at Montreal right now. That was worth it. I have no words for this video right now. So this is one of the most spontaneously decided plan. Frankly, I'm with my schoolmates right now, and nobody has any money. And we are currently starting from Sydney, Nova Scotia, and taking a drive to Toronto, Ontario, where I'm going to be spending the next 4 days. There won't be any video on this Monday, because it's been my birthday week. It was my birthday yesterday. So in lieu of getting older, I said one day, and I'm planning to make a vlog that tops all my videos so far. When you grow up somewhere, you have friends that you grow up with and you travel with them, there's nothing like it. I'll show you parts of the road trip. This is a 20-hour long drive, so I don't know what the condition of this drive is going to be. But let's see, I'm excited because crossing 2 provinces. One of them is Newfoundland. I don't know if there's much to see over there, but the second one is Quebec. And we are going to be having poutine in Montreal. That's a promise. So stick, and probably we'll cover that in this video. I'll see you guys. I'm somewhere in Quebec, and look at this place. Wow. You know, the thing is, I chose a bad day to wear ankle socks. I'm at Montreal right now. The time is actually 11:15, I'm guessing, and we've already gone back 1 hour in the road trip. So this is the first time I've traveled by road and actually changed time zones, because Nova Scotia runs 1 hour ahead of Quebec, and that right there is Notre Dame, Montreal. So I just got really lucky today. And I didn't expect to see this, but I didn't even expect to be here today. Until this time yesterday, my plan to come to Canada, my plan to come to Toronto did not exist. And I never thought I'd be doing a road trip for 2,000 kilometers with my friends. So I'm actually having the best time of my life, and I'm actually super excited right now. I want to do something. I want to go eat poutine. So the next place we're going to go to is to eat poutine, and I am hungry, so let's go get it. And for those of you who don't know, poutine is actually French fries in gravy. Generally it is beef gravy, but you do get other ones as well. It is a very Canadian dish that actually originated here. So we're gonna try it here. I'm assuming it's Quebec or Montreal. Which one is it?
Quebec.
It's Quebec, sorry, it's Quebec, but we're in the same province. We should get a good one over here. Let's go try some. So this is downtown Montreal, and as you can see, the streets, they're very different. It looks very European, and the whole city feels like a mini France. So it's a very, very beautiful town, and I'm still trying to get over the fact that I'm here. It's very hard to believe that I'm here. So, and for those of you watching, I hope you're enjoying as well, because you don't find these kinds of streets everywhere in the world. So We decided to go get some poutine and the car broke down. It's a rental car. We haven't slept in 48 hours and we have somebody sharing ride with us. This is T.
Tushar.
Okay, you're just giving out your name.
I should not?
No, I mean, it's
up to you.
it's up to you. It's your choice.
Sure.
I do it,
Take
but
my name.
if others are... So yeah, that is Tushar and...
Fake name.
Try to Facebook it. Okay, so he's sharing ride with us. This is... You're gonna see him often on this channel, these both guys, and that is Doctor. We will refer to him as Doctor. We'll keep a name for him later. But we haven't had... None of us has had any food. I don't have any blood glucose now. I don't have any sugar in my blood. And it's freezing because the car broke down 45 minutes ago. There's no replacement. And we're just waiting on a street. And I was driving and the car broke down on the middle of a main road in downtown. We are standing right outside. What is this? The Courthouse of Montreal. And yeah, if we have to get a ticket, they just have to walk outside and drop it on the car's windshield. So
I mean, yeah, we are not paying for it, so...
No, we are not gonna pay for it. It's the rental company's fault. So yeah, So we are awake for nearly 40 hours, and when we reach Toronto, it will be more than 25 hours of road trip. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna sleep too, and he's gonna sleep too. I don't know about what your plans are.
Might as well sleep.
So we just waiting for the car. We wanna go home as soon as possible, and the best thing about a car breaking down you get some content for vlog. So I thought, why to waste it?
Yeah,
Make
it's
the
minus 15 outside.
Make the most of the opportunity.
Oh,
The
God,
temperature is minus.
Feels like minus 20.
And it feels like -8. We are stuck in a car which is fogging up surely by every second.
I'm getting a call from the other passenger. This one's for you, man. So it's been 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours, yeah.
It was originally just the three of us. The other two, they just got a ride share with us. But because we've been stranded for so long, they left and they got a different ride. We are still waiting for I don't know what anymore.
Good one.
Nobody seems to know, even through Turo. Turo is the company that we took car from. If you're in Canada, Turo, man, do not get a car from them. Just don't do that.
Yeah.
And the person who actually owns the car is quite a gentleman, but because of corporate issues,
We are just stranded in the middle of nowhere.
not in the middle of nowhere. We are in downtown Montreal, to be honest.
Just a build-up.
But yeah, no juice left for the day, and I just want to go home. Okay, best part, here's the best part. We are freezing. We didn't have any power for 4 hours, so we didn't run any heaters or anything. And the temperature is
-8.
-8. Good one.
It's a cold day.
Yeah, the car is completely fogged up, and it's like a winter camp.
Yep, we are camping in the car.
Camping in the car. And status update. Hopefully, I see sunrise in Toronto. That's the dream.
That's the dream. You went Barney Stinson for a moment there.
Yeah. 6 hours later.
6 hours.
The time is almost 5 p.m. We
Yeah.
got nobody came to help us except a friend of a friend who showed up
Oil.
with engine oil,
Engine
with
oil.
whatever you call that, a container of engine oil. I cannot speak. I'm hungry.
Very
A container of engine oil, and we poured it, and it seemed to work.
well.
So we're going to go eat poutine as promised,
Yep.
and then we're going to go back to Toronto. This was worth it. This is worth it. This is poutine. It's basically fries with gravy and meat of your choice, and it is This is the real poutine, and you're supposed to have cheese curds in poutine, not just cheese. So this has got everything. I cannot wait. We've waited so long, and this is mine, and this is my friend's. This is some mushrooms and capsicums. And this is
Classic, I guess.
classic vegetarian poutine. We're gonna eat, then we're gonna go to Toronto, and then I'm gonna talk to you. Peace.